Okay, I felt I really needed to make this video. It's kind of late. I'm gonna start making more tutorials and makeup tutorials and stuff. So if you want to see a certain kind of tutorial, just ask me, give me a comment, or inbox me, private message me, whatever, and ask me what kind of tutorials you want to see: makeup, hair, crafts, maybe crafts, depends on what I can do. I'll see what I can do. So, I'm going to show you guys how to make plastic necklaces that I wear. I make my own plastic necklaces that I wear all the time. So yeah, and I'm really tired. I'm in bed right now. That's why I look so crappy and stuff. I have my hair back and everything, and the makeup on, and all my piercings are out. So I look kind of crappy. But yeah, so that's about it, and I really gotta go. So bye.